Creating a sprint in ClickUp. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to create a sprint in ClickUp. The process is very simple. First, open your ClickUp workspace and go to the space where you want to create the sprint. Then click on the App Center. Here choose all ClickUps, then scroll down and find sprints. Once you found, toggle it on to enable sprint for that space. Then close the App Center and go back to your space. Here click the plus icon and select Sprint Folders. The selected folder has a name, for example, Keyword Research Sprinter. You can also set your time estimate and choose your start date. Once done, review automation options and inside the sprint folder, create a new list, for example, to-do list and add your task. Inside the sprint folder, create a new list and assign tasks to team members, setting priorities and due dates and manage them in broad view. And that's all. That's how you will be able to create a sprint in ClickUp and work.